Hi you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Nancy will get this side, and today we are shooting a very interesting video for all the brides to be. So today we are shooting कि आपको क्या क्या रखना चाहिए अपनी vanity kit में. So let's get started with that, and मैं step by step बताऊंगी कि like from moisturizer to primer, then concealer, foundation, like everything. And I have kept affordable, I mean the drugstore things and the high-end makeup both. एंड उसके साथ-साथ अगर हाई एंड के साथ-साथ जो नहीं भी होगा ड्रग स्टोर मेकअप, आई विल लेट यू नो about that also. So let's get started. So this is my vanity kit, and let's get started. Like what all I have in my vanity kit. So we have two sections in this, a small section and the elongated one. So I have kept all my eye related things in this and the foundations, concealers. So let's get started with that. So we are starting with the brush set, and I got Elf Cosmetics का brush set. It is a set of 10, way too good. And इसमें हमारे पास 3 face brushes हैं. One is this blush brush, the contour brush, and the foundation brush. Also बाकी ये सारे eyeshadow brushes है. Also we get a spoolie in this, and then the brows brushing out, the brows brushing brush, and these 5 brushes for the eyeshadow. And if you need more brushes, if you think that I need more, so you can also go for pack ka set. It have many brushes. I think they have 54 ka set, जिसमें you have a variety of brushes. For me it was enough, and I like this. अगर आपको लगता है कि आपके लिए इनफ है, यू कैन गो फॉर दिस. एंड अगर आपको अलग से ब्रशेस लेने हैं, सो यू कैन ऑल्सो टेक फ्रॉम प्रो आर्टे, जिसमें आपको सेट नहीं लेना पड़ेगा. जो जो रिक्वायर्ड है आप वो ब्रशेस ले सकते हो. एंड दैट्स इट फॉर द ब्रशेस. So next, the most important, the OG Vaseline, and it is very important. So just keep the Vaseline or any lip balm in your vanity. If you want to go for high end, you can go for Laneige, and I legit love this Vaseline. I have used Laneige also, but still I love the OG Vaseline. So you can go for Vaseline. Do remember that lip balm is so important in the vanity kit. Don't ignore this. Other is the mascara, and this is from K Beauty. If you want high end, then you can go for Benefits or Estee Lauder mascara. And the I'm recently using the K Beauty one, and it is one of the best mascara. Also, Benefits ka mascara is all the way best from any other brands. Like I legit love Benefits ka mascara from high end, and from drugstore I love this K Beauty ka mascara. So you can go for this. And next, for your kajal, you can keep this color bar ka kajal, or from Nika ka kajal is also very good. And then I have also kept this Nika ka nude kajal pencil. And the other thing is this eyeliner. You can go for color bar, or you can also try Nika ka. And NYX ka liner is also very good. So currently I'm using this color bar ka eyeliner. And then next important thing is eyebrows definer. So this is again from Elf Cosmetics. This is also very good. And then next important thing is the eyeshadow kit. Oh, very nice kit. So these are the colors. So you can go for the bite size Huda Beauty color palette. And if you, so this is from the high end category, and other is from Anastasia soft clam. So this is also a very nice neutral kit, and you get almost matte shades and the glitter shades in this kit, in this eyeshadow kit. And if you want to go for, I mean, go for drugstore, so you can go for this Renica neutral eyeshadow kit. This is also very good. This goes with these colors goes with traditional as well as western. They are very pigmented, and we also have glitter shades as well as the matte shades in this. Also, you can order Revolution K eyeshadow kits. These, they are also very good. I don't have hair, but I have used it. They're very nice. And next, let's start with the face base. So next, the moisturizer is very must. I am using the Hyphen moisturizer. This is good for all the skin types, whether it is dry or oily, but moisturizer is must. And then the rose mist, it works as a primer, also it works as a makeup fixing thing, so this is must. This is in the high end category. This is from Pixie, and if you want in the drugstore thing, you can also go with NYX, and the Swiss Beauty Fixer is also very nice. और प्राइमर के लिए आप स्विस ब्यूटी या मार्स का भी प्राइमर यूज कर सकते हो. इवन द फॉरएवर 21 का primer is also very good. And I use, for primer, I use this rose mist. This is the best. Also, it gives the glow on the skin. And then next is the color corrector, and this is my OG product. I'm using since when I was in 11th or 12th standard when I started using makeup. And this is the LA Pro corrector for your under eye area, wherever you want to correct the uneven skin. So the corrector is important. Depends on your skin type again. And then and then we have the concealer. This is again from LA Pro, according to your skin type. Also, you can go for Maybelline concealer. It is also very nice. And if you want to go for the high end concealer, you can go for Tarte if you have oily skin. And if you have dry skin, you can go for Too Faced. Yeah, that's very nice. I legit love it. So Too Faced concealers are the best. And then let's go to the foundation part. So I have, ouch. So I have two foundations. One is the Giorgio Armani one. It's in the high end range, and basically this is not foundation. This is a illuminator, you can say. So this is from a drugstore range, and it's from Elves. It's very nice. And if you want to take any drugstore range foundation, you can go for Maybelline, or also you can go for iMagic. It's one of the best foundation. I'll show you it. So this is the foundation in the drugstore range. You can go for this. This is also good for oily skin or the dry skin. This is the best drugstore foundation I have ever seen. I have ever applied, because I've never seen talking people about this iMagic foundation. But trust me, try this, you'll love it. And अगर आपको high end चाहिए, इससे अच्छा foundation कोई नहीं है. This is Giorgio Armani. So next we come to blushes, and in the high-end range, the Rare Beauty is the best blush I have ever came across. I mean, इसका तो सबसे अच्छा blend होता है ये, like butter, actually like butter. अगर if anybody asks me about the high-end blush, I'll always suggest Rare Beauty as a number one blush. She Glam is the best. Actually, it's the best. और अगर आपको powdered blushes चाहिए, so you can also go for NARS का Orgasm. So next we come to lip and cheeks tint. So the drugstore one is this Etude House water tint. It's the best in the drugstore range. And next we have Vanity tint from Benefits. It's in the high end range, and थोड़ा सा तो फर्क होगा ही. It's in high end range and it's in drugstore. If you want to go in drugstore, then this is the best. And if you want the high end, so you should go for this Benetton. And then the eyelash curler. This is must. Obviously, you want the loose powder after the makeup for setting it. So I use this sugar cup pressed loose. You want to go for high end, you can go for Laura Mercier or Huda Beauty. Like Laura Mercier is good for dry skin, either the oily skin, but Huda Beauty is for the girls who have oily skin because it's a little bit thick. So depends on the skin type again. If you want to go for high end, then Laura Mercier or Huda Beauty, and if you want to go for the drugstore makeup, drugstore translucent powder, then you should go for Sugar, or you can go for PAC again. And then the beauty blender, I think beauty blenders almost सारे brands के अच्छे हैं. Frost Beauty का is the best, and this is from DF Cosmetics. This is also best, and you can also go for PAC का beauty blender. That's also very nice beauty blender. And then we come to the highlighter. If you want to go for the drugstore highlighter, then this from Revolution is the best highlighter in the drugstore range. Either you want to go for the high end, then go for Pixie, you can go for Rare Beauty, that's also very nice. And then last, the lipsticks. So this is the K Beauty Curve Gloss in the shade Embrace. This is also very nice. And in lipsticks, if you want to go in the pink tones, then you can go for Too Faced ka lipstick in the pink tone, or either in NYX. And this Charlotte Tilbury ka shade Pillow Talk is also very nice in the pink tone, the nude tones. And it depends on you, like you like pink shades or brown shades, nude shades, so you can take according to that. And in my collection I have more of the nudes. That's it. And last, the setting spray. Again, this is from Pixie. I told you before earlier, like you can use it as a primer and then you can use it as a fixing mist. So that's it. So this is these are the things you need it for the makeup vanity for brides to be. And that's it, guys. And if you like it, don't forget to share with your brides to be, and it would help them to pack the vanity. It would be easy for them. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can share with your friends who are going to get married, or either your friends who don't have much knowledge about the makeup. So I have told the things step by step, also the skin combination, like etc etc. So see you in the next video. Also let me know like what you want to see next. Okay, bye bye.